So everybody, how you doing? It's coffee time. It's always coffee time when you are in Bali. Even it's not, you can always make yourself coffee time. There is nothing wrong with it. However, if you are in Italy, it's not really right to drink cappuccino after 12 and it's already 5. However, we are not in Italy, so I think it's no problem. By the way, cheers. Also, I'm having my coffee in the one very kinda local place. But I don't know why nobody is here actually. Normally there are some people. There's where the Pura Hotel and I don't know what's some sort of villas here as well. And honestly, I came here from Tabanan and I feel somehow tired. I don't know why, but back is very painful. I need to have a coffee and rest a little bit, and then I'm gonna go up north to Sagara Beach, Sagara Village hotel area. There I will show you around. Just give me a few minutes. I will need to take a break, and also, yeah, that's it. Just wanted to say something, but I forgot. Just wait for the coffee. I go to the cashier. The guy said, "Happy holidays. Are you vlogging in Bali?" Yeah, I'm vlogging. Enjoy your holidays in Bali. Thank you so much, mate. Yeah, hold on. I really have problems with concentration today. Hold on, I will just pass where the Pura Hotel because nothing is going on actually here. I don't really understand the concept of the Werda Pura Hotel, by the way. So I will come back after I pass this gap of this hotel. This is the property of Villa Shanti here in Sanur. Nice place, very calm today. It's been like 1 month since we left Sanur for Tabanan. I'm gonna tell you, it's very calm, Villa Shanti here. And I will just simply show you what's going on around. There will be Gria Santrian Hotel just right here, right now. Not too busy, that's for sure. It's a very nice, enjoyable place. It's middle of the week, around 5 p.m. after 5. Very cozy. Well, definitely great place for holidays, as you can see. Just I don't see much people who are enjoying the holidays recently. But yeah, some people are actually. It's not that bad, not that bad. Actually, more people enjoying their time in the bar. Probably that's the best thing to do. Anyways, good thing is, as in the next upcoming, actually in next 2 weeks, at that time I will be already starting my journey. I'm gonna travel for more than 5 weeks in total, so I hope so many of you gonna enjoy. Maybe some of you will come back who don't even listen right now, watching right now this moment what I'm talking about. Let's see, the time will show. Either way, have to go. And that's the Besaki Hotel also. Maybe some of you are interested. But not too many people in Besaki. Now it's the property of one of the most beautiful small resorts here. It's called Tanjung Sari Hotel in Sanur. They have a very old hotel, by the way. They have a steel architecture. The only place where still keep the coconut trees, and you can sit really on the beach. Really nice place, and always actually those places are always kind of busy. Always somebody is here. You can also come just enjoy the restaurant. Perhaps you can come for dinner and sit here. Very nice indeed. Very enjoyable. Overall, very beautiful place. During pandemic, I used to like if we need to come in here for breakfast. And in case if you care and you ask, our Total Beach Club is just falling apart. I don't know, it's kind of rhythm, but they had a great location. The land is definitely worth a lot of money, but they don't care. Pretty sad actually. And the sun is actually very sharp, but I want to show you. This is basically how it looks like. Also not too many people anywhere. It's so quiet, like during the pandemic basically here. I don't know what's going on. Feels a little bit strange. However, yeah, this is the shot that I can show you. The Art Total Beach Club. They clean it up. No crocodiles not swimming inside, but yeah, it's deserted. I'd like to say thank you to you guys who watching me till this moment, no matter where I am. As even my videos, I understand they may be boring for somebody, and I understand because they are always pretty the same. I appreciate as you still watching. That's helped a lot. Thank you. Magnum Residence is coming here soon. It's gonna look fancy. I'm gonna tell you, very fancy. check this out. When they really finish, and it's gonna look like this one in Sanur, if they finish, yeah, it's gonna be nice. Also super expensive, but if they're gonna keep running it, it's gonna be impressive. Let's see. Meanwhile, what they are doing here, some sort of kite, actually, the huge kite. And yeah, it's deserted in January, but yeah, that's the construction site here, maybe that's why they're bringing. Nothing is actually inside, still on the process of digging. Still slow. Icon Bali also gonna be here. It's gonna be beach at the front of the mall. Mall gonna be behind the Sun's restaurant. And mall actually is going fast, the construction. I can see even from here the shape. Oops, like this one. All of this is just behind the Kejira Villas and Glass House. I cannot see properly, but there is already pretty high construction actually. Oh yeah, here I can see a little bit of the more construction. It's already second floor, I guess. And Kejira Villas are here. So they are basically just behind the construction. Kinda loud today, I'm gonna tell you, so I don't know. You're taking this place for your own responsibility. Okay, Segara is starting soon. Kayumani's place for the coffee, some restaurant. And let's see, there is something is going on here at the front of the Sol on the beach. It's still here. They changed furniture, I think. Looks decent. It's pretty busy actually. Here we go. Not bad actually, not bad, not bad. Surprised actually. Somebody wave. Happy to be on the camera. And then we have a Sindhu hotel in Sanur, very old part of Sanur and very local expat vibe here. Mostly locals or expats coming here, only, you know, long-term expats, veterans, I could say. Some people enjoy in general. It's like you can find the huts like this one, you can buy some stuff and you can chill like this one. Sindhu beach basically. And the auntie here. And some younger people, but also local. Hi there. You see, people are in general. And this is the charger conservation. Yeah, basically. This is it. I work with the phone because I'm filming actually with the camera, but some people don't see even. They are busy with answering messages. Yeah, this is it. That's the life. Very low tide, by the way. I should get to the beach, actually show you next to the corn, guys. A little bit. I want to see actually the hospital. How does it look like? Very local vibe, but overall feels a little bit like during pandemic. I don't know. Kinda quiet though. Wow, actually the hospital looks like this. I'm not gonna go there, but when I zoom it, sorry, little bit shake, it's actually pretty advanced construction. Either way, this is Sindhu Beach and this is the look to Cafe. Very legendary place and very old in general, but it is nice look too still. If you're interested to see all of the vibe. Oh, these aunties, I don't wanna talk to them. Yeah. Hi, how you doing? Hello. Thank you. Anyways, this is the birdhouse, Segara village. I think this place will be very busy together with Hyatt, but I'm not going to Hyatt today. Yeah, this place, yeah, it's a nice place in general. What I'm gonna tell you, always like it here. Also, it's a little bit expensive recently, by the way, but that's not discourage people. The quality here is pretty alright, actually, you know. It's not bad. And people, you can sit inside where is the aircon, that's very important. The only one place like this one in Bali, in Sanur especially. The lady was actually passing, she didn't want to be on the camera. I didn't catch her. Yeah, basically this is how does it look like. And then will be Segara or Goja. And dinner time gonna be very busy here. I also really made a few videos in Segara village, in the hotel and in the restaurants and then by the beach and in general in this area, particularly in this moment. So if you are interested to have a look in the older videos, most welcome, you can do it. But I'm not gonna focus that much just on the restaurant and the hotel. But I review this place very much. Alright, that's the Pantai Segara. You cannot enter actually because of these walls. If you're gonna go straight, there is the construction of the hotel. Maybe next time I will go. Probably I have to make an update of the construction of the hospital, but not today. One day I will make a special video. The best is come at morning due to the sun position. And that's the cigar. You can rent the bicycles. A lot of bicycles here. And this one place is always changing the concept. Now they have a kind of romantic cabanas chairs. Sometimes it's like a nightclub here. Long time ago it was kids playground exactly here where I'm facing the camera, but still loud music from the speakers, which the lounge club music didn't suit to this environment by the beach actually. So I don't know, but this is it. I'm gonna come back. Well, the lobster is still here. This lobster is like a 50 years old lobster or maybe more, I guess actually. You can let me know if you remember when they built this lobster here. There behind me is the live band. The guy singing pretty nice Johnny Denver song, Country Roads. However, instead of West Virginia, he just said West Australia. That's, I don't know, have a mixed feeling of thoughts. Nothing wrong with it, but it's like everything is targeting here only into Australia, even in Sanur. So, you know, but people are happy actually, and most of the people who are sitting there in the Gria Santran hotel actually they were Australian, so maybe that's how it's supposed to be. And with this happy accent. See you tomorrow.